But Lester, how do I make $100 per day? I just want to know, what do I need to do to make $100 per day online? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lester Diaz, and in this channel we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. So that is the question that I get all the time on my Instagram page, on my YouTube comments. People want to know, what is the #1 way to make $100 per day online? How can I make my first $100 online? Now, I'm going to keep this really short and simple. I don't want to make this an hour-long video because I've seen a lot of videos on YouTube from people who just make things super complicated and they just want to sell you something. They just want to, try to sell you their next digital course, and they want to make it super complicated, even more complicated than it is, because they want to sell you something. And there's nothing wrong with selling stuff, with selling digital products or anything, but you have to keep it simple. You have to provide information in a way that people can understand. And best of all, you have to be honest with people in regards to making money online, because there's a lot of claims of making $1,000 per day and making $100 per day. And even though there's people making that type of money online, you can expect someone who's brand new, who has never made any money online, to make $1,000 per day in their first 7 days of starting an online business. So today what I want to share with you is the review method. And this is one of the simplest ways that you can start building a business online, because it requires basically zero money to start. All you need is a YouTube channel in order to do this. I'm going to show you some examples of how I personally make money using this method. I continue to use this method to make money. Now, the first thing that you have to do is download my free affiliate marketing guide below. It has 40 pages of affiliate marketing training, including how I make money with Facebook, how I make money with YouTube, how I make money blogging, and how I make high ticket commissions from affiliate products that I promote, basically by using YouTube, by using traffic sources like Facebook ads in order to sell and promote products online. When it comes to making money online with affiliate marketing, you only need one thing. You need a high converting offer and you need lots of traffic. So enough talking. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna jump into my computer and show you exactly what this review method is all about. All right, so this is my YouTube channel, and what we're gonna be looking at is just 2 examples of 2 videos that I created using this review method, which is basically just reviewing a product or service that you're promoting as an affiliate. This allows you to rank on YouTube and sometimes Google as well, and basically make commissions out of those videos as long as they sit on YouTube. This is a very simple process for anyone to start, because you don't need any heavy investment. All you need is your time and whether or not you're willing to create videos for these products. I'm also going to show you one of the top affiliates on YouTube that actually does this for a living, who makes thousands and thousands of dollars per month doing this exact same method. And you'll see that he has hundreds of videos, review videos of different digital products that he's promoting, and basically he doesn't care about monetization on YouTube because he's making most of his money using this review method. So the first example that I have for you is this video right here, which is the ManyChat review video. And this was basically a follow-up video for another video that I created a few months ago. If I type ManyChat review on YouTube, you get the first video, which was my first video talking about ManyChat 7 months ago, over 1,000 views, as you can see. And then we have the other video, the follow-up video, just about a week ago, has 249 views. And this is the concept is very simple. I offer my review of this product because I personally use this product and I know exactly how it works and my results using this product. And so because of that, I'm also an affiliate of the product, which means that I get commissions if someone else finds my review helpful and they decide to sign up for the service. Now, another video that I created was for a program called Legendary Marketer, a training platform that teaches people how to make money online through affiliate marketing or digital products, and how they can build a business online. And this video that I created 2 months ago sits on the 5th spot of YouTube, talking about what this program is all about. And I'm a member of the program. I know exactly how it works. And basically I created my own personal review of this product. This video alone has made me a few $1,000s so far basically just by creating this review video. Now let me show you someone who's been doing this for a very long time, and this is his YouTube channel right here, Jono Armstrong, and you can see he's been posting videos, review videos for all types of digital products, and he's making a killing just doing this. This is all he does. He just comes to YouTube and just uploads videos with different reviews. He buys a product first, creates a small review video talking about what it does, and then offers a bonus for people who want to buy through his link. Just doing this alone for the past few years, he's been able to make a full-time living online and actually make thousands and thousands of dollars every single month just doing this every single week. So this clearly works, guys. It doesn't take rocket science. You don't have to be someone special. You just have to be willing to create the videos, take the time to learn how to optimize your videos properly. I do have multiple videos on my YouTube channel that can teach you how to optimize your videos to rank on YouTube, get better results, and make more money. All you have to do is take action, take the time, and it's not gonna be overnight. You will need to create a YouTube channel and pump videos every single week. But as you actually build your library of videos, as you have more videos, you will start seeing some success and you will start making some money to the point where you'll be able to make $100 per day. All right, guys, so there you have it. This is very simple. All you have to do is find affiliate products that are launching in the next 30 days or products that have launched in the past 7 days, and you can create affiliate review videos for those products and give an honest review of the product to make sure that you're providing all the information to people who are looking for information on this product. Obviously, there's a lot of people making money using this method, and you can make $50, $100 per day once you have a YouTube channel that has a couple of videos. I'm not talking about 5-7 videos. I'm talking about maybe having 20-25 reviews on your YouTube channel. You can start making some good money. And as you can see, I just show you an example of a YouTube channel that has hundreds of videos in review affiliate products basically, and they're able to make a lot of money by just referring traffic to those affiliate products by simply creating reviews. So guys, very little investment to get started with this review method. All you got to do is your time. Basically record yourself creating a review video of the product that you want to promote, and you have to create that video, upload it on YouTube, and see if you can get a rank on the first page of YouTube. Because you're targeting keywords that are brand new for specifically the name of the product, it's really easy to rank for those keywords. I just show you some examples of videos that I have ranked for those affiliate products on review videos that I've created, and you can do the exact same thing. There's really no secret here. All you have to do is create a review video, rank it on YouTube, send the traffic from YouTube to the affiliate offer, and you'll make money. With that said, I hope that this video was helpful. If it was, please share the video, hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you like videos like this, because I post videos like this every single week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.